with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
It was a pretty dreary day. It looked like it was going to rain outside, and for some of us, maybe we had a few light sprinkles, but for the most part, it just remained dry. That high pressure has been pulling in enough dry air to prevent any of those rain showers to move overhead, but also that high pressure has been continuously bringing in cool and abnormally cool weather. But if you want to change that, we are expecting finally a break in the pattern, and we will be going back into near and even above average temperatures. And by next weekend, we could be talking about upper 80s and lower 90s. Right now, we are still holding on into the lower 70s. Not too bad. Winds out of the east and northeast at 13 miles per hour. This is actually our high temperature for the day, and we're after the 5 o'clock hour. Now, yesterday, if you're farther inland like Waupaca and Watoma, they had temperatures in the upper 70s, close towards 80 degrees. Because of the cloudy skies, that has prevented some of that sunshine to warm us up. We are all in the 60s and 70s, lower 70s today. But by the lakeshore, 50s in Kewaunee, lower 60s in Manitowoc and Sheboygan, because water temperatures are in the upper 40s. Temperatures from just 24 hours ago, not much of a change. We have been staying pretty steady since Friday and also Saturday and even into today. But tomorrow we will be changing just a little bit, especially farther away from the lake you are. Winds blowing in at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, more like 13 to 20 miles per hour. Fond du Lac currently sustained wind out of the northeast at 20 miles per hour. Now, this is what we're seeing with our change. Warm air will develop off towards our west and will transport eastward, and by the weekend we are going to have a nice southerly flow, and we're talking upper 80s to perhaps 90 degrees. The only chance for us to not see those temperatures will be some afternoon showers and thunderstorms that act as natural air conditioners. Clearing skies off towards our west eventually will make their way eastward, and we will be seeing some sunshine for tomorrow. This high pressure continuing to bring in winds out of the east and northeast. Here's a storm system that has been bringing us some of that cloud cover, but the showers and thunderstorms staying is down to the south. But this cold front will be making its way into our area and bringing a chance of a few isolated showers, maybe a pop-up thunderstorm as early as late Monday night into Tuesday. So here's how SkyCast pans it out for tonight. Clearing skies, temperatures cooling down into the upper 50s and lower 60s. Then for tomorrow, we warm up back into the 70s, and you might need those sunglasses because it is going to be a nice and sunny day. Winds continuing out of the east and northeast by the 15 miles per hour. But watch what happens as we get towards tomorrow evening. Here comes a cold front, increasing clouds, and yes, a few scattered rain showers and maybe a pop-up thunderstorm during the day on Tuesday. Now behind it, normally we have some cooler weather, but not this time around. And also it's a very weak front that's moving through. As you can tell, hardly any moisture associated with it. For tonight, 55 degrees, gradual clearing, winds remaining out of the east and northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, rising up into the upper 70s, 78 for a high, mostly sunny skies. It's going to feel more like summer tomorrow. Continuing into the week, highs in the upper 70s, lower 80s, Wednesday a high of 80 degrees. But take a look towards the weekend. Highs in the mid and upper 80s. Yes, we do have the chance of some showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. So it really remains, if we do get those highs, we have to miss out on those showers and thunderstorms. Because we're getting into that time where it looks like we're warming up, and then those showers and storms cool us off into lower 70s.
But Monday through Friday looks like that summer most of us expected.
Yeah, and also those thunderstorms for the weekend, it's not going to be widespread. More like afternoon pop-ups here and there, almost like if you're down in Florida.
Exactly, so not too bad.
Yeah, not
all right, thank you so much, Gino. We'll still